a motherfucking
Yeah,
copycat.
fuck your ambiance. They call me lots. Chances that you fucking with me, probably not.
Rain, guys. Let's show you how we do that. Here's Al Roker.
Hi everybody, here's today's forecast for the
Flash flood warning, but I don't see any rain, so...
Oh, here we go.
That's not good. Alright, I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. That rain you're looking at, it's not real. The sprinkler system, it's not real rain, guys, yeah. Now, two things happen out here in Los Angeles when it rains. One, we forget how to drive. Okay. And two, we get flash floods. So keep your eyes up the hill, guys. We're going to have a flash flood head right towards you. We usually move the tram out of the way. But today, YOLO!
Comes. Flash flood. Whoa.
It's alright, calm down. That water's not real. That's computer-generated imagery. Okay, computer effect, guys.